Factory. Today we are going to read a wonderful story. Are you excited, kids?
Yes, Mom, I am ready.
Okay, so today's story name is Teddy Bear Who Wanted a Hug. Let's go.
Barnaby was a new teddy bear. He sat on a high shelf in a big, busy shop. He was very soft.
He watched children come in. He watched them pick up other toys. He saw them give big, warm hugs to dolls and bunnies. Barnaby wanted a hug too.
A little boy gave a robot a big hug. Squeak went the robot. Barnaby wished he could make a sound like that. He wanted to be a friend.
Hello, Barnaby thought. He tried to wave his little paw. He wiggled it back and forth, but nobody saw him.
Achoo! Barnaby tried to sneeze a tiny sneeze. He hoped someone would hear him, but the toy shop was too loud.
Then a little girl with bright eyes walked in. She looked up. She saw Barnaby on his high shelf. She pointed right at him.
The girl's mommy lifted her up. She reached for Barnaby. He was so soft, she said. Barnaby felt like her little hands.
She held him close and she gave him the biggest and the warmest hug he had ever felt. Barnaby felt so happy. He was finally getting a hug.
He was no longer a lonely teddy. He had a new friend. He was a happy teddy bear who had found his home.
Barnaby snuggled into her arms and whispered, "This is the biggest hug in the world." That's awesome, isn't it? Did you like today's story, kids?
Yes, Mom.
Okay. Thanks for reading this story with us. See you next time with more fun learning.
And don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you don't miss our next video. Bye bye.
Bye bye.